Hi, in today's video I will show you how to use Elementor. So you go to that page you want to edit. So I had this, I may have many pages here, but let's say that I want to edit my welcome page. I have this like welcome free, oh, fine, okay. So then I go to this edit with Elementor, and I think the thing that you are looking for, you want to either have this like your landing page and add like let's say some freebie guide or something. If you want to add freebie guide or something here, this is how you do it. I would choose this for example, and then I would put image here or video, and then I would put there let's say I have this guide example here, guide it, and I can make it like smaller. And then I would go here and add, let's say, text and write something. Blah 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 blah. This is something blah 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 blah. And then I would do this title. I tried to move it from the okay. So I would put the title in there. Let's see, heading, yes, and right here like get your free guide. Okay, get your free guide, right? And then of course, if you have opt-in form, you can. I think you can add code. I'm not sure about if you can add. Of course, you can add some code. Is there like short code, for example, HTML? Yeah, of course. Okay. So if you have then you just like, I think you can drag it somewhere. You can drag it. I would create this, and then I would put that code. And of course, when you build things, you just see what is working, what is not working. So where is this? Okay, it's here. So I would like to put here my code from, here from that mailing service. I don't have code right now, but in this place, or maybe other alternative is of course to put the button like this. I put the button, and if you have some landing page, not landing page, but sometimes those services offer landing pages, and maybe you want to, if you have many guides and stuff like that, you can put many guides in this page, and then they send with this link to that guide, which is like then in that page you ask them to opt in. You don't have this and button at the same page, of course, unless because this button is included in this code if you have that code. Okay, so this is example of landing page, and I think you may not sometimes you may not want to have this in here and this in here, and this looks like not landing page. This looks like freebie page or product page, and so on. Well, so you want, I know if you want to make like landing page so that people come to your site and you say like, I have this free guide for you, just like get it, right? And then this is how you do it. So it will be like empty landing page. You go here to settings. This is important. Listen, settings, and this is like but you really want to know. And then you go to this Elementor canvas, and voila, ta-da! So this is how your landing page will look like if you make it like. And of course you can edit, you can add images and whatever here. But this was, I think, that simplest way and most important thing that you will be missing and you will need like the most. Okay, so how I can publish it, and let's go and see, because it's like my welcome. It's not my homepage right now because it's like welcome something, welcome free or something like that. I go and edit it just for myself in here. Welcome. I published it, so is this maybe this? Take a look. I'm not sure. Welcome free. Yeah, it wasn't welcome free. I put here like welcome free, so I know that this. Okay, this for myself. This no information. And then I'm going to do some appearance, and I want to have this my welcome free as my homepage. So I will remove my whatever I had there, and go here and look for that welcome free. And then I add it, drag it to the first place because I want that to be first page, and then I write home. Alright, this is just like, and then I hit save. And now when I go to my site, like a travel site, it will, oh no, it didn't, okay, I have okay, I have to go to this customization. I'm not sure why, maybe I just didn't save it or something. Okay, I go to this homepage settings. Yeah, and I need to choose this welcome from here. Okay, this is the place. Okay, now I have this front page like this. Okay, so I publish it, and if I go there, of course it looks like la la la, and of course somehow you want them to go to your blog from here, so you will maybe add some like no thank you, and then they can be clicking. Let's do it. Okay, that's not bad idea at all. So let's say, okay, this is, I don't like how it's like, okay, so it's like download or something, download, yeah, and then let's I will put little text in there if it's possible. Let's see. Yeah, I will try to put little text in here. I will put it there, and I will write like no thank you. I just want to look around. No thank you, I just want to look around, and you want to put it into the center. Oh no, yeah, and then you want to make it a link, and you will call it let's say okay, so my blog name is this, and I know that my the blog page is like blog, right? I know that my blog page is blog, so in those home settings I can figure it out if I okay, so I paste this here, and whatever, you can make it like open in a new window, whatever, or not open. Okay, why it didn't, okay, no, I don't want it like that. I want it like this, and then I click this link, and then I write this. Okay, and then I want to make it open in a new tab, and like this. Is it working? I'm not sure. Yeah, but it should work. Yeah, an update. So, and if we don't see it, so can I see in this icon? You can like go and see how okay, if I can, this clickable, but you know nobody knows that it's clickable unless they, so we also want to make it like blue, so usually people will know that blue things are clickable, you know, so I'm not sure why this is not updated. I hope I have internet on. Hey, come on, big clickable thing, right? Yeah, update, and now it's, yeah, now it's like, but if I go to preview it, so someone comes to my page and I offer them a guide, right? And you can design this page your way, so then they download and blah blah blah, and then if they don't download it, they don't then they go here like blah, and voila, they got to your blog. Okay, so, but there is another way we can try to build this page, and I'm not sure like what you're looking for, so I will take this away. I will take everything away, and I will try to I had like, I made some, not the, okay, I think, let's see, so let's close this, okay. For example, I'm not sure what you are planning to put here, but let's say you want to put here like, I don't know, I can put here, if I want to put like image here or here, then I just click here and I will put, I noticed that image box looks very not so nice, and image box made the image look small. No matter what I did, it looked small. And when in other hand, I tried to use image, there's like somewhere, there's like, yeah, there's image, and when I take image, then it's like this. So, okay, I think this looks much better. So I don't want to have this, and I think I go with right click if I want to delete this, so I take it off. And I may want to put there like text, right? So do I have dummy text somewhere? Is this dummy? Is this my? I don't know where's. Oh, sorry. Dummy text. I will put dummy text so I don't have to write. I'm writing so slowly. So this is dummy text. Okay. Of course. Okay. Okay. It's not. So I will hit my. Oh, I'm not sure. Can I put it in there? Oh yeah. Okay. So my dummy text is in there, and maybe I want to add title. So I can, I can click here, or I can also click here and choose this heading. I will put my heading here, and it will be something, and then I can drag this there, and it will be looking like this. And I noticed that I can add image maybe here, and it's done like inner section. I think it's going to like inner section, and I can, let's try this. I like images, so I will put image there, and like this, and I like this, and I can oh yeah, of course, this, and then this, and like this. I'm not sure if I can change the places. I can. Okay, I can make it look like this, and that's nice. Okay. Okay, and then I take this. Okay. Oh no, I have it already. I take some other picture. Yeah. Okay, whatever. So you can make your like this, and if you want to put some buttons, let's say, or use like map or whatever. Let's say. So you can do many things in here. So basically anything. But I hope this is like this. I hope this makes some sense to you. And I think you of course in the front page you want to have that link to your blog somehow. Even you may want to offer something here for free, or like if you just want to talk about what you do, then of course you make one section about and then contact, and well, so let's say I want to add here let's say about section. I will put heading here, and then I would put, I think I would like write something, yeah, and I do this white boring page because they are clear. People use them, and if page is too cluttered, then they will just like go away, because those pages look like from 90s. Okay, but let me know if this was helpful. Thank you, and I will update this. And